This video teaches you how to add an image from another website to a Pinterest board using the Pinterest site. Go to the www.pinterest.com. If you are already logged into Pinterest, this will open your home page. Click the plus icon at the bottom right of your home feed. Select Create Pin. It's the bottom entry in the pop-up menu here. Click Save from Site. Enter your website's URL. You can do this by typing it in manually, or you can copy and paste the URL into this field. After paste the URL, then click here. Select an image and click Add to Pin. If you don't see any image here, the URL doesn't have any unlicensed image. Add a title and description. Click Select above the title, then click Save next to the board you want to save the pin to, or click Create Board to create a new one. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.